In English, we will be learning about the features of a character and setting description. Not only will we describe the physical attributes of a character, but also their behaviour, personality and movements. For our setting description, we will use Escape from Pompeii and learn how to use written language to describe a setting. This setting description will then be used for our narrative writing. We will also be learning about life as a Roman soldier and using this knowledge to write a recount. To end the autumn term, we will be learning the skills required to write a newspaper report and write our own newspaper report on a Roman invasion. The first class novel we are reading this term is Llama Out Loud by Annabel Sammy. We'll also be reading The Wild Robot Escaped for our second class novel. In our theme text lessons, we will also be exploring other books centred on particular themes including women, influential people, classics and poetry. In maths, we will be learning using our knowledge of place value to aid our understanding of numbers up to 10,000 and learning about Roman numerals. We will also be consolidating our skills of addition and subtraction methods. We will also be learning about length and perimeter, as well as developing our knowledge of multiplication and division. We will be focusing on practicing our times tables throughout the year. In geography, we will be identifying the 7 continents, locating specific countries around the world, but more specifically in Europe, and developing our skills around the use of maps, atlases and globes. We will also be describing the human characteristics of key countries and comparing that knowledge to a physical geography of a given area. In history, we will be learning about the Roman period and identifying the significance of Lincoln to the Romans. We will be analysing the resilience of the Romans using timelines to identify significant events and identifying how Roman roads are used today. We will also be learning about influential Roman rulers such as Julius Caesar and discussing the impact of Roman culture, specifically focusing on the Roman army and their invasions and formations. Alongside this, we will discover how artefacts can inform our understanding of the past. For our first science unit, we will be learning about electricity and how circuits are created and used in everyday appliances. We will also be discussing the importance of staying safe when using electricity. In our second science unit, we will be learning about sound. We will develop our knowledge of volume, vibration and pitch alongside understanding how sound waves travel. In RE, we will be exploring Judaism and developing an understanding of the relationships Jews have with their God. We will be considering the key scriptures used in the Jewish faith and furthering our knowledge on the aspects of Judaism which are specific to this religion. Then, we will continue to develop our understanding of Christianity and discuss the most significant aspects of the nativity story for Christians today. In computing, we will be applying our knowledge of networks to further appreciate the internet and its need for security. We will have the opportunity to explore the World Wide Web in order to learn about its contents and what is age appropriate. We will also discover the accuracy of online content and understand the consequences of false information. We will also be developing our understanding of digital images and how they can be altered, edited, resaved and reused. As a class, we will discover the impact of editing images and evaluate their effectiveness in the media. In PSHE, we will be following the SCARF programme of learning and completing the units Me and My Relationships and Valuing Difference. The first unit focuses on the importance of understanding what a healthy and respectful relationship looks like and feels like, with what teamwork and collaboration entails, furthering our awareness of a range of emotions and why feelings can change. The second unit focuses on compromise, managing conflicts, recognising ways in which people help one another and understanding stereotypes and respectful ways of disagreeing with someone. In DT, we will be completing a unit on mechanical systems focusing on levers and linkages. We will consider the intended user and purpose of the product in order to create realistic designs. Then we will select appropriate tools and techniques to make the product. After, we will complete an evaluation of our final product. In art, we will be using different grades of pencil to show tone and texture, as well as representing objects with the correct proportion and scale. We will also be using research to inspire drawings, express our personal likes and dislikes, and produce a montage about our topics. In Spanish, we will be consolidating our knowledge of greetings, days of the week, months of the year, numbers, colours, and basic food. We will then learn the vocabulary for part of the body and animals. In PE, we will be doing gymnastics. We will create a more complex sequence of movement and explore the ways to include apparatus. In tag rugby, we will learn about possession, developing strategies, and how to play collaboratively in a team. In music, we will be using charanga and following a unit of work with the focus song Mamma Mia. We will be learning the structure of the song as well as how to sing, improvise, and play along with this well-known song. Home learning expectations. Reading. 10 minutes minimum daily. Put your recording, upload it onto Showbie. For spelling, weekly spellings will be released on Showbie after school on a Monday. These 10 spellings need to be practiced daily in preparation for the spelling test on a Friday. Photos of scores and practices can be uploaded to Showbie on the Home Spellings folder. Times tables. 3 to 4 times per week using TT Rockstars. Upload your photos of scores and practices to Showbie. You can do this on the MTC folder. Thank you very much.